In this video, I'll show you how to make money online with the best tips and apps that are legit. There are so many ways to make extra cash these days, some more legitimate than others. But we all need to know what's right for our situation. So that's why I created this video. Let's get into it. 1. Get cash back when shopping online. The advantages of shopping on the internet are numerous. It's incredibly convenient. However, it can take a long time to find the best deals. Capital One Shopping is a terrific alternative to looking for promo codes and comparing prices in several browser tabs. Capital One Shopping makes saving money effortless. Install the browser extension, and when you check out, they'll use the best discount coupon from their extensive database to help you save money. Capital One Shopping will also display a courteous pop-up if the item you're buying is cheaper elsewhere before you check out at stores like Amazon, Target, Home Depot, and Best Buy. Capital One Shopping is free of advertising and will never show them. Now is the time to add it to your cart and stop overpaying. 2. Get a $10 bonus when you invest in big companies like Tesla, Apple, and Amazon. You don't have to start with a large sum of money. You can start with $5 or less. Stash was developed to assist first-time investors. Well-known companies such as Apple, Google, Amazon, and others sell fractional shares. Normally, a single share of these companies can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. But Stash allows you to get started for as little as $5. Stash will give you $10 to invest as a bonus after depositing $5 or more into your personal portfolio. 3. Got skills? Turn it into cash. You can make money using your skills if you're handy. It's an exciting time to be a home advisor. With new projects on the way, everything is powered by Angie every 2 seconds, so there's something for everyone. Whether painting, mowing lawns, or major tasks like roof and fence installations, Home Advisor can connect you to these jobs. Home Advisor will help you set up an online business profile and collect customer reviews so you can get your next job. With over 100 million lifetime service requests and thousands of users searching every day, what are you waiting for? 4. Get rid of your car insurance policy. You could be wasting $500 a year on overpriced, substandard auto insurance. In addition, you should probably terminate your present insurance right now because there is a better option. You can use tools like Smart Financial to tell you if you're overpaying for car insurance in just a few clicks. On average, you can save up to $500. And after you've tried it, you'll never need to look for low-cost insurance again since we'll find you the best deals available. Can you honestly say you don't want to save up to $500? 5. Online surveys. Did you know that taking part in online surveys can earn you money? Yes, you are accurate. You can earn money while assisting brands in improving their products and services. Filling out surveys with Survey Junkie earns you money via PayPal right away. You can earn up to $45 in cash per survey. Join the crowd and start making money today. With over 6 million members and an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau, you can't go wrong. 6. Watch viral videos and earn up to $200. It appears irrational, and you might be unsure whether it's even worthwhile. But, let's be honest, you're a little interested. You can make money by paying people to view viral videos. And you can do it using inbox dollars. No, it's not going to make you a millionaire. You might be paid to view viral videos on YouTube rather than watching them for free. Yes, it's one of the simplest side hustles available. It's totally worth it if you're sitting on the couch scrolling anyway. Every little amount of extra money helps. It's easy to understand. Here is where you sign up and confirm your email address. Then you take a seat and wait. After that, you make money, and merely sitting on the couch and watching these movies can make you an extra $200 per month. 7. Boost your earnings by up to $5,500 this calendar year. $5,500 is a substantial amount of money. It could even appear improbable. What exactly is the catch? Is it essential for you to sign up for a bunch of free trials that you're not interested in? Working strange jobs and working unusual hours. Would you like to watch a bunch of strange commercials? No. Steady is an app that gives you access to thousands of legitimate, pre-vetted income options that could help you earn thousands of dollars. Real part-time jobs, offers tailored to your hobbies, and lifestyle-specific apps are all possibilities. Do you want to make as much money as possible with Steady? After you've signed up, you'll need to link your bank account. You may check your monthly income by linking your bank account and see which jobs paid you the most. Then they'll go over your earnings history in detail and make recommendations for specific jobs that will help you earn more money. When you link your bank account, you receive access to income boosters, one of the app's most popular features that can help you multiply the amount you earn through the program. You won't be able to utilize the service unless you link your bank account. There are many ways to earn money today, whether it's a side job, an app that pays you, or another surefire way of getting cash in your pocket. You have plenty of options.